this on? Can you hear me now? Hi there, my name's Kevin McNally. I'm with Jefferson Beach Yacht Sales. I'm on board a fabulous new listing. I know, fabulous. It's a word, says a lot, and this is a lot of boat. This is a Tiara 5800 Sovran we just picked up on listing down in Lake of the Ozarks, and there is nothing like this. Truly a flagship model that really put Tiara Yachts on the map when it comes to yachts. Hope you enjoy the tour. Lots of pictures, lots of video available in addition to what you'll see here. And we hope we have a reason to pick up your call and talk more about this beautiful yacht. Thank you.